Hello guys, I just made my own international TikTok account. I just opened my international TikTok account. A lot have been going on. We need an international TikTok account because they pay creators for their videos, they pay for your views, they pay for your comments. In fact, being a creator on the TikTok account, you make money. So I had to do mine. Although so many people have been coming up with so many ways they do it with VPN on browser. Don't use your former account. You just go and create another account, use VPN so that it will cover your location. You don't need all that. All you just need is a simple 2 minutes process. All right, first we start with Ifoma Joy. First of all, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ifoma Joy and this is Ifoma Joy TV, where I teach you how to do different businesses, and not just doing those businesses just like that, but using biblical principles. I show you how to make money online and how to do different things online. Stick with me as we ride on to the training. So click on this particular area where you find Ifoma Joy. Click on that place. You see the other accounts I've created. So we're going to use example of one. I'm not creating any other one, but I'm going to show you with one. But first, let's click on add account. Like you want to open a fresh account, you click on add account. So when you come here, you see sign up for TikTok, you see use phone number or email, continue with Facebook, continue with Google. So you can continue with Facebook, it doesn't matter. Then you can continue with your Google account, but don't use phone number because your phone number is Nigeria. So if you look down below here where the privacy policy is, you see by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you agree to our terms and conditions. It is you picking the country you need to work with and agreeing with the terms of services. All right, so you click on Nigeria, it brings you different other countries. Then you search for you have United Kingdom and United States. These two states, these two countries pays you for your TikTok account by uploading any content. Okay, so let's take for instance we're using USA. All right, so you click on USA, look down here, you see by continuing with an account located in the United States, you're in Nigeria, you agree to our terms and conditions. That is all you need. So you either continue with your Facebook account or you continue with your Gmail. So when you click on this continue with Gmail, it takes you to where your Gmails are. All right, you see your Gmails, you can click on any of them. Now I'm not creating any other account, right? So you click on any of them just like you open your Nigerian TikTok account. Okay, let's take for instance I'm using this. See, instantly it has created because I just click on that. It has created. Let's go to it. This is it. This is the profile my profile picture on my Gmail, the Gmail that I use. This is the name of the Gmail. So you click on edit profile. You click on edit profile. You can change this one here. You can change it to anything you want. You can change it to anything you want. All right. All right, is there already? Okay, then you go to this place. Let me use the other account to show you something. Let's say I'm using this one. Currently logged in here, so click on it. So this is what we are looking for: creators reward for anything you input there, for anything you put in here. Creator reward, you get paid for it. Okay, we see creator marketplace. This is for those that uses their content to run ads for companies. This is for subscription. When somebody subscribe, you make money here. This work with an artist. Then this is the particular one we are looking for. This is the one that Nigeria TikTok account doesn't have. Creator reward program. So for any thing you create and post, any content, if it's a viewable content that people will like, the view and like, you make money from there. But what you need is that you must get up to 1,000 followers, then 10,000. In fact, you start making big money. And you need to be creative. That is all you need here. You need to be creative. You need to upload creative contents, creative videos. All right, I'll be making a video on how to make content that you can upload to this international TikTok account, because you can't just do it the way you do the Nigerian TikTok account. If not, you're not going to make anything from it. I just opened this one today. That is why you see there's no follower already, because I just opened it today. So that's all you need. That's all you need. Short and simple. There's no big deal about creating an international TikTok account. You don't need a VPN. You don't need an extra, what do they call it now, browser to do that. You can do it with this your account. You don't need to upload register on any other account using a different phone. No, you can use it on the same account that you have. All right, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I drop a lot of insights on businesses here. We do business here biblically, teach you how to do what others did in the days of old, like King Solomon, Abraham and others, and also show you some business tips from different apps. By my next video, I'm going to share with you the content you need to be posting on this international TikTok account and how to get followers and likes. All right, thank you so much for being here. Do not forget to subscribe, hit on the notification bell for more videos from me whenever I upload them. Thank you so much.